Hi guys, Roman from Urban Treats here, and today we are making these delicious vegan peanut butter, banana and chocolate chip cookies. These are super easy to make. It only takes a few minutes to prepare. You can prepare them in one bowl so you won't make anything dirty in the kitchen, and then you just bake them for 10 to 12 minutes and they're ready to enjoy. So let's get started.
As always, you can find all the ingredients along with the link to a printable recipe in the description. We're going to start by mashing half a cup or 125 grams of bananas. And the riper your bananas are, the better, as they will make your cookies sweeter. Next, we're going to add 1.5 cups of quick or rolled oats. We're going to add 1.5 cups of brown sugar, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1/4 cup of white sugar. Add your baking powder, baking soda, cornstarch, salt, and vanilla extract. Now it's time to add our peanut butter. You can go with smooth or crunchy, both will taste amazing. Now it's time to add the vegetable shortening, and this will give our cookie a nice butter type of texture. Last but not least, we're adding our chocolate chips. Make sure you leave a few because we're going to need them for decoration. It's now time to preheat our oven and form our cookies. And for that, we're going to grab about a tablespoonful of cookie dough and roll it between our hands to form a nice round cookie ball. Lightly press the cookie dough into a biscuit shape. And sprinkle a few chocolate chips on top of every cookie, lightly press them into the dough, and we are ready to bake. After just 12 minutes in the oven, our vegan peanut butter banana chocolate chip cookies are ready. Let them cool in a cooling rack and enjoy.
If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you leave us a like and a comment. If you want to see more recipes like this one, then check out the rest of our channel. We are back next Wednesday with more baking and cooking tutorials. So let's try this vegan peanut butter banana chocolate chip cookie. This is great. See you next week.